Alright. Commence opening of the mail. You're videotaped. You can open it. What do you think about you getting mail?
I don't know what
Do you like to get mail?
Yeah. I thought there was a toy in here.
A toy?
Yeah.
Oh, what is it? It says yeehaw. How'd you open it up? Open up the card.
Look, he's dancing.
That's cute. Alright, open up the card. It says, just wanted to give you a holler on your birthday. Happy birthday, Pierce. I hope you know the hamster dance. I love you and miss you. Lissa, Bean, and Corey.
How does he know it's my birthday?
Because it's public knowledge. I've told her before. What do you think?
I could sing and dance.
It's magic, I think. You know it's a dancing hamster?
No.
Okay, we gotta do at the same time. Alright. What do you tell Lissa?
Thank you, Melissa.